I went to Ikea for the first time. Oh gosh, it's so lovely. I've got a little mini haul for you guys, a mini haul, because it was actually, I wasn't actually meant to go to Ikea on the day. It was like I had an hour to spare. I was like, oh, Ikea's down the road, let me pop in. Yeah, and then I ended up spending more than an hour in there. Oh my goodness, Ikea, right? The way they built Ikea, they don't want you to just randomly leave the store. Oh my goodness, it's like a maze. It's like a maze. So randomly they sell colours in there. It's a homeware store, but they sell colours for kids. They sell such lovely stuff there for kids. Such lovely stuff. I've got to go back and just show you like the kids stuff as well. Oh yeah, because my battery was low, so I couldn't film it, but I am going to go back and just show you guys the sections I didn't show you in this video. I will definitely show you guys in the next video. But yeah, this was £1.50. I picked up some, obviously, glasses. This was £1 each. These, you see these ones, they curve up a little. Yeah, they curve up a little. This was £1 each. Really, every time I go into Ikea, I just stock up every single time. But yeah, I really love these. These type of ones are like in my Matalan store. In Matalan, to be honest, they are 2 for £5. This was £1 each as well in Ikea. I really love them. You can eat cereal in it. It's gonna be perfect for porridge, my crunching up. But yeah, I really like this. It's really nice white. like, if you were to go to other stores, you would probably get this for like £3 or £4 just for one. And the fact that Ikea are doing it for £1 is absolutely fabulous. It looks really nice quality. Like the white is really crisp white. It just really looks really nice if you were serving this to people. It just really looks nice. So yeah, this is definitely gonna be on my list to stock up. Also, I love their fake plants area. Oh my goodness, it was just really nice in there. All the fake plants I really want to get. Some of their fake plants are like £20 and they're really huge. You see my little bookshelf? So yeah, some of their plants are like that big. Yeah, as big as my bookshelf. And like they're literally like £20. And also I just got some more inspiration for like decorating the home. But it's definitely going to be somewhere I'll be going to just get inspiration, and it's going to be, you're going to see me in there a lot. I plan on taking the kids in a few weeks. I'm going to take them there, and yeah, they really want to have like hot dogs. Like they want to try the Ikea restaurant. So I'm going to take the kids in a few weeks. So yeah, that was my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And yeah, head down to Ikea or order online. It's fabulous in there, fabulous.